Hi, today we're here with Jason and Cathy from Finance of America, answering some of the most commonly asked questions I get from my first-time home buyers. In our last video, we talked about how important it is to secure financing before starting your home search. And I wanted to ask Cathy, what does it actually mean to be pre-approved?
So getting actually pre-approved means that I've requested all documentation that an underwriter needs to actually review the file. So we're getting an actual loan approval. So an example of some of the items that I would request are going to be 30 days worth of pay stubs, 2 years most recent tax returns, 2 years W-2s, 1099s, and then 2 months most recent bank statements for all accounts. Something also to keep in mind that there are things that borrowers should refrain from during the loan approval process. A couple examples are change in employment and then also excessively racking up credit card bills to increase those balances. Doing those types of things can completely derail the loan process. So before you make any drastic changes, it's important to consult with a mortgage advisor prior to doing that.
Awesome. And as far as a down payment, is it true it's 20% for a down payment for buyers?
That is false. Lots of people put less than 20% down. So the average down payment for a first-time home buyer last year was 6%, and for repeat buyers, it was 14%. I mean, there are lots of products where you can put less money down, but one major thing to keep in mind, if you're putting a down payment that's less than 20%, the lender is going to require you to have mortgage insurance. And what that is, it's basically an insurance policy that protects the lender in case you stop making that monthly mortgage payment for whatever reason.
So my last question is, how much are closing costs?
So typically closing costs are going to range from like 2 to 5% of what the home's purchase price is. It's important to ask your mortgage advisor for an estimate of those closing costs up front so they have a good idea as far as what those final figures will look like.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being with me today. How can buyers best get a hold of you?
We're pretty accessible, so the easiest way to reach us would be either through phone or email.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank
Thank you for having us.